Fellowship program in arthroscopic sports medicine surgeries. If you are a young orthopedic surgeon who has just passed out PG or doing SRship, or you are someone who is practicing but want to learn more about arthroscopic surgeries of knee, shoulder and ankle, then this fellowship program is for you. Fellowship program is for 1 month, but you can extend it for more months also. So in this program, you will be seeing me doing a lot of different kind of orthopedic arthroscopic surgery in sports medicine, mainly ACL reconstruction with fiber tape internal brace, ACL repair with fiber tape internal brace, PCL repair with fiber tape internal brace, what meniscus sutures you have to put, how is the meniscus suture configuration. We do lot of cartilage transplant procedures like autocart, GraftNet, ports. We do cartilage transplants on patella, tibia, ankle, femur. You will learn ACL, PCL, MCL, LCL repair with fiber tape internal brace, not the reconstruction. So there is a difference between repair and reconstruction. So there are so many advanced things which are happening in sports medicine around the globe. In this fellowship program, we make sure that you learn everything. There will be training inside the operation theatre and there will be training outside the operation theatre on knee and shoulder models, and of course classroom coach for the same. To join, you can contact on this particular number to know more about the fellowship program.